how to set a background color on image to Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, tap on Gboard Settings or tap on Keyboard List and Default. In here, tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Theme. And then scroll down and choose a color. If you want to set a keyboard color, background color, it will look something like this. You can also choose to show key borders or not, so that is the key borders right there or not. And then tap on Applied. Now you can also choose to use an image. So here we can choose an image and then tap on Applied. So if I bring up my keyboard, you can see I can apply a background image to my keyboard. And after that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.